Yo, y'all clean Ferraris?
Of course we clean Ferraris, man. It's a car wash.
Hell yeah, here you go, bro.
Oh, bro, we don't clean those. You're gonna need Reshoevn8r for that.
You heard the man, only Reshoevn8r can clean up these Ferrari 14s, and as you can see, we got them parked right here on our Shoe Care Academy set, and it's gonna be my job to clean them up. With that being said, this is definitely gonna be a pretty challenging clean because we're dealing with that red suede. I'll get into some of those issues a little later on in the video, but for now, I'm letting you know this is probably gonna be one of my most challenging cleans of 2026. But with that being said, I am confident we're gonna get some good results, and you can get some good results at home as well, as long as you're following this video to the T and you're picking up all the tips and tricks I'm about to give y'all. With that being said, free game coming at y'all in 4, 3, 2. All right guys, as you can see, we got our cleaning station all prepped and we got all of our tools we're gonna need to get this cleaning party popping off. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just get this left shoe, set that aside, and we're only gonna be focusing on the right one for before and after purpose. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and insert our adjustable shoe tree and go ahead and remove these laces. And just like that, these laces are out of here. Just gonna go ahead and set those aside. Right now is the most important part of this cleaning. It's gonna be the preparation. With that being said, I'm just gonna grab a dry soft brush and I'm gonna go ahead and dry brush this shoe as best as possible. I really wanna get all this loose dirt, dust, and debris out of the shoe, get it off here, so that way once I do start cleaning, it's not pushing it deeper into the material. All right guys, I'm dry brushing the crap out of this shoe right now. This step is gonna be key, so that way we're not pushing these stains deeper in the material and spreading them around and making them worse than they actually are. With that being said, I'm almost wrapped up with this soft bristle brush. We'll get that back to a few. Right now I'm gonna tap into our good friend, our Dry Suede Kit that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Quick little Reshoevn8r plug, you guys can hit that website, link in the bio, and shop all your shoe care needs. But you guys already knew that. But with that being said, let's get back to this Dry Suede Kit. This is gonna be another pro product to have in your arsenal when you're cleaning your sneakers, especially when you're dealing with some all suede sneakers like these Ferrari 14s. Obviously, you can still see some stains trapped throughout the material, but that's where I'm gonna use our Dry Suede Kit and tackle some of those small stubborn stains that you're seeing throughout the sneaker. So let's get to it. Pro tip, when using your dry suede eraser, you can use it for a few different things. I like to use it to really spot clean and tackle some of those stubborn areas, but when you're dealing with a shoe this trashed, sometimes you may have to just hit the whole shoe. All right, in YouTube time, it's probably been 15 seconds or less, but in real life, I spent a solid 20 minutes dry brushing this whole sneaker, and we are seeing some pretty fantastic results. Overall, I'm pretty happy. There is a chance I may not even clean these uppers. You know what, that's a lie. Do see some small stubborn stains throughout the shoe, so we will go ahead and clean those. But before we clean these uppers, I'm gonna do a little different approach, and I'm actually gonna take care of this outsole. The reason for that is because I don't want any of this mud and dirt to get back on these uppers throughout the cleaning process. So I'm gonna do that first. If we get any drippage or drainage, then I'm already gonna clean these uppers, so it's just gonna save me some time, energy, and effort. With that being said, we are jumping over to our medium bristle brush, and I'm just gonna start detailing this midsole the same way I would detail a Ferrari. So let's get it, let's go. Skirt! Hold up, hit those brakes. Almost forgot. Squirt some solution. Our solution is highly concentrated. You only need to put a few squirts up inside your bowl of water mixture. Then you can just grab your brush, just dunk it in. If you're a fan of the brand Ferrari as a whole, then you have to check out Vic's Custom, where he customized a Jordan 4 and put his Ferrari touch on it. Again, guys, precision cleaning like I'm detailing a car. All right guys, right now I am working on these soles just with the medium bristle brush. I normally don't do this, but again, I'm just trying to break down all this dirt and grime as easy as possible so it doesn't smear onto the uppers. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go back and really tackle this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. With that being said, I'm gonna get on it right now. For this specific shoe, I'm only using a stiff bristle brush on this outsole. That's because the midsole does have that carbon fiber paint that if you do scrub too aggressively, it may chip that paint, and no one want no Ferrari that has chip paint. All right guys, these Ferraris are almost as looking as the day they pulled off the dealership. But right now, we are getting into that dangerous, murky territory. I'm gonna start using our soft bristle brush and clean these uppers. However, I wanna be extremely careful not to oversaturate the material, because what that's gonna do, it can have a huge effect on this vibrant red and change the color. After the cleaning process, I already know it's gonna lose a little bit of color, but during the cleaning process, again, I don't wanna agitate it too much. So that's why we're just gonna grab the soft bristle brush and lightly clean these uppers. As I do so, use that towel to help pat dry and clean it completely even. So here we go. All right guys, I'm actually a huge fan of the Ferrari 14. They actually have 3 different colorways if you didn't know. The classic red pair, the yellow, and the black. Let us know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. All right guys, we are cruising through this cleaning. These sneakers are almost ready to go put outside to dry. But before we do that, I do want to take care of these laces. All I'm gonna do is just put them inside the bowl of water, swoosh them around like so, and then just get a quick little easy clean. Since they are black, we just have to get most of that surface dust and dirt off them. As you can see, it's coming right off. All right guys, we got the laces inside the center of the shoe. Now follow me outside. Hold up, how to hit a Chicano U-turn in this Ferrari. It is raining outside, so we gotta do plan B. If you can't put your shoes outside in the sun because it's raining, don't trip. All you gotta do is put them in a well-ventilated area or under a fan. Throughout this whole drying process, these sneakers were on my desk under a fan and they were drying. I got a little bit of antsy, so I went ahead and grabbed an all-purpose brush, a dry one, and I was brushing back and forth. That way it allowed the suede to dry a lot more evenly, as well as towards the end, the step I'm on right now, I'm not dealing with any crunchy suede, so it definitely helped save me some time in the end. But again, I only did that because they were inside on my desk on a fan and we didn't put them outside. A lot of times I would have just forgot about these few hours, came back, and then had to do this step. Overall, I'm really happy with how vibrant that red still looks. These didn't bleed as much as I thought they were gonna. I've cleaned the fire red 5s and I've had challenges with those, so I thought these were gonna be similar, but overall, these are looking right. But I'm confident we're gonna make them look even better. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mink oil. Rather than spraying on the shoe, I'm just gonna spray some coats on our horsehair brush. All right, these are all mink oiled up. Basically, we just gave our Ferrari a wax job. Last thing we gotta do is lace them up. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap it up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Ferrari 14s. Let me go ahead and bring in the dirty pair so y'all can see how well we got down. You can get results just like this by shopping all your shoe care needs with Reshoevn8r. For the sake of this video, we showcased our essential shoe cleaning kit, dry suede kit, mink oil, and horsehair brush. Those are all the components you need to get results just like this. You can hit Reshoevn8r.com or just hit that link in the bio to save you guys some dollar bills. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all on another one. Adios.